I'm super excited about this. I cooked this chicken in my Instapot. It took 33 minutes because it was a 5.5 pound chicken, and you're supposed to times 6 minutes per pound, which I didn't know that, so I learned that today, so that was exciting. Cook that in 33 minutes and then let it sit for 15 and then let the rest of the steam out. Look, my first jar of chicken broth. I'm super stoked about it. I'm just going to put the lid on and either refrigerate it or freeze it. I may use it sooner rather than later, but that was really cool. And I'll probably be able to make 2 or 3 meals out of this chicken. I'm going to make, I think tonight I'm going to make chicken enchilada casserole, which I have everything for. It's super good. And then I can use the leftovers for work. Pretty awesome. Love that chicken broth.